Number 2 is FLASHFORGE Adventurer 3 3D Printer. Introducing the ultimate 3D printer that's practically magic for young creators, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 3. Say goodbye to tricky setups because this printer arrives pre-calibrated, ready for action. No more fussing with bed leveling, it's like having your 3D printing wizard. Crafting dreams is a breeze with its quick detachable nozzle. Switch it up with a button press and watch your creations come to life with dazzling detail and precision. Perfect for unleashing creativity in STEM projects, pop artworks, and inventions that will blow minds. Safety covered. This 3D printing wonder is snugly enclosed, ensuring the little makers stay shielded from hot parts while they work their magic. Noise and odors vanished into thin air. The Adventurer 3's cozy cocoon keeps distractions out, making it a serene haven for creative endeavors. But the awesomeness doesn't stop there. Ever worry about the filament running out? Fear not! This genius printer senses it and keeps the creativity flowing without a hitch. And here's the super cool cherry on top, a built-in camera that captures every move in real time. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it.